Hello everyone, welcome back to the video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video, once again, I'm present with the latest update of the Enjin coin. So this video is very important for all Enjin coin holders. Please keep watching this video till the end, friends. And if you are new to my channel, so please subscribe now. ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos, friends. Now, friends, as you can see now on the screen, that is the last 1 hour price chart of the Enjin coin, friends, and that is the live update of Enjin coin. From the last 1 hour, they start moving upward. Absolutely, the huge jumps occur, and now the live jumps of the Enjin coin you are watching now on the screen, friends. Absolutely, I really appreciate Enjin coin at this time that they move upward, friends. But if you look, the price changes occurs in the 24 hours. So as you can see here, that the 24 hours price is negative, friends, but I hope after 1 hour the price change will become positive, friends. And friends, if we talk about the latest price of the Enjin coin, so the prices move upward at this time, friends. The latest price of the Enjin coin is 1.146 USD dollar, friends. And if we look the market opening price of the Enjin, so 1.164 USD dollar, friends. That is the opening price of the Enjin coin market, and the low price of the Enjin coin, let me show, friends, 1.089 USD dollar, friends, and the highest price is 1.339 USD dollar, friends. That is the highest price in of the Enjin coin in the 24-hour, friends. If we talk about the supply of the Enjin coin, so 1.00 billion is the supply of Enjin coin in this time. And now this time the market cap, the trading volume of the Enjin coin is gradually start going upward. With the passage of time, the price change will become positive, and I hope, let's see if we do a technical analysis. So now at this time they continuously start moving upward. If we do a technical analysis, so I think you can see here at this time they break the support line and resistance line. So as you know, when they break resistance, oh my god, absolutely very massive in Enjin coin at this time, friends. So my friends, if they break the resistance line, so that's mean that the huge pumps occurs, friends. And now they also continue this jump, and I hope that they will continue this pump for a long time, friends. Anyways, my friends, what is your opinion, what is your prediction about Enjin coin? Please share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.